YouTube viewers, it's Crystal here. I'm making a video, and basically this is a faceless channel. The primary reason for my faceless channel is, one, so I can preserve my anonymity, and two, because my camera doesn't work on my laptop. There's nothing wrong with my laptop other than the fact that the camera doesn't work. But I suspect that you're not going to want to see a picture of a woman in her 7th decade of life anyway. So we'll just go ahead and keep it faceless for the time being. And I've had my YouTube channel for definitely 6 years, 6 or 7 years, and I've been making content on technical subjects for at least the last 5 years, since 2020. And I decided that what I would do is I wanted to put together a course on Python programming, learn computer programming with Python. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I had been making courses on Udemy, but they didn't sell very well. And so since they didn't sell very well, I really wasn't getting a lot of money from them. And then Udemy has become very strict on how they do things. And what Udemy wanted me to do was to verify my account, which I couldn't do because, number one, I have a health problem that I'm not going to discuss in this channel. I discuss it in another channel, but I'm not going to discuss it in this channel. And because I have a health problem, and because it's going to cost me well over $200 to get my American passport renewed, then what they did was they just blocked my account. I can't make any more courses with Udemy because they just blocked my account because I couldn't verify my account. They just blocked it. And then I thought, well, I was going to go ahead and get my American passport renewed so I could verify my account. But then they blocked my account, and then I came up with this serious health problem. And I thought, well, I have to wait until I get this health problem sorted out to verify my account. And then for the amount of money that it's going to cost me to actually get a new passport, because my passport has expired, I'm not going to be getting that much money from Udemy. So really, it's not worth it. So I decided that I would go ahead and make a course and put it on YouTube and try my luck with YouTube, see if I can get some viewers if I make my own course on YouTube, because I've taken courses on YouTube. So if I'm taking courses on YouTube, then there's not going to be anything stopping me making a course. And so that's what I've decided to do. So I'm sorry I can't show my face. I do have another YouTube channel called Palestine X where I show my face. So if you really want to know what I look like, you can look on my other channel. But this channel, because my camera on my laptop is broken, I can't show my face, and not until I start using another laptop. But I want to keep this laptop as long as I possibly can because I've got it set up the way I like it. So what we'll do now is, since we've been talking about the channel, so you know about the channel, you know why I'm making a programming course, because I can't do it on Udemy anymore. The difference between Udemy and YouTube is Udemy, you have to take make all of these different videos. But on YouTube, you take all the videos and then you merge them together. So I'm going to have to learn how to merge videos together as well. So that's going to be fun. So now you know the background of why I'm making this course and why I'm doing it in Udemy. Maybe you've read the introduction already. So I've been studying Python since 2020, so I thought it would be a good idea to write a course on how to learn computer programming using Python. Computer programming, often referred to as coding, is the process of creating a set of instructions that a computer can follow to perform specific tasks. These instructions, known as programs, are written in various programming languages that are more understandable to humans than machine code, which is directly executed by the computer's central processing unit, CPU. Programming involves designing and implementing programs, which are step-by-step specifications of procedures. Programmers use high-level programming languages to write source code, which is then converted into machine language through a process called compiling. Some languages, like Python, use interpreters instead of compilers to execute code. There are hundreds of programming languages, each suited to different types of tasks. Some popular languages are Python, JavaScript, C, C++, Java, and PHP. This course will focus specifically on the Python programming language, however. And then types of programming languages can be categorized in machine language, which is a low-level language consisting of binary code, and binary code is really just ones and zeros. And assembly language is a low-level language compiled by an assembler, and I have studied assembly language about 35 years ago, but I never did assembly language in a proper computer, but I did study it. Then they had procedural languages execute a set of procedures before running a program. Some procedural languages are Julia and Go. Scripting languages are interpreted languages that do not need to be compiled. Some scripting languages are JavaScript and PHP. Functional languages build complex programs through functions. Some languages, are Haskell and Scala. Object-oriented languages build programs around collections of objects. Some object-oriented languages are Java and Python. So Python, you can do object-oriented programming with Python, and I have done it in the past. Programming is essential for creating software that powers various devices and services that we use daily, such as phones, websites, and computers. It enables us to interact with technology and automate tasks, making our lives more efficient and productive. Some skills required to be a good programmer are writing clean and efficient code, problem solving, testing applications, fixing errors in the code, good communication skills, ability to work well within a team, and patience and perseverance. So I'm a one-man band. I don't have a team to work with. I wish I did have a team that I could collaborate with. And now we've got, how do we write code? Coding is a skill learned and perfected over time but everyone has to begin somewhere. There are several programming languages that are perfect for beginners, and Python is one of them. It is important to have a good text editor which will enable you to actually write code. There are several good text editors that can be used, such as Visual Studio or Python's IDE. Text editors will enable you to write and save your code to be run through an interpreter later. And this is where we're going to stop, because I'm going to make a video on the Python editors that I use, so you can see the Python editors that I use, so you can find out how you want to do